Most people think investing is about picking moonshots. They chase crypto. They hunt for the perfect AI stock. But stop. Do you have credit card debt? Do you lack an emergency fund? If so, you aren't investing. You are gambling. There is a proven sequence for your money. It is a ladder to financial freedom. Skip a rung, and you fall. Follow it, and you win. Today, I show you the exact 7-step priority list. This is how pros build multi-million-dollar portfolios. Let's climb. Step 1 isn't traditional investing. It is the starter emergency fund. You need $2,000 in a high-yield savings account. Do this first. Life happens. Tires blow out. Laptops die. Without this buffer, you are vulnerable. You'll be forced to sell stocks or take on debt. Build a foundation first. Don't build on sand. Step 2 is an instant 100% return. It is the employer match. Does your job offer a 401k match? If you ignore it, you are losing cash. It is a gift. If you put in $100, they give you $100. That is a guaranteed win. Invest exactly enough to get the full match, not a penny more yet. Step 3 is high-interest debt. Credit cards are financial emergencies. 25% interest is a trap. No stock guarantees a 25% return, but paying off your card does. You earn that interest back. Kill the parasites. Attack this debt until it is gone. Debt is dead. Now we go to step 4. This is the full emergency fund. Save 3 to 6 months of expenses. Keep it in a safe savings account. This fund won't make you rich, but it will keep you from being poor. It is your sleep well fund. Now we hit the big leagues. Step 5 is the Roth IRA or HSA. A Roth IRA is a cheat code. You pay tax now. You never pay tax again. Your profit is 100% yours. Check your HSA too. It is triple tax advantaged. It is the most powerful account in existence. Use them. Now we target low-cost index funds. Tax buckets are full. Now use a standard brokerage account. Stop picking individual stocks. Buy the total stock market. Buy the S&P 500. You are buying the world's best companies. Set it to auto-invest. Wealth is built by being lazy. Let time do the work. The final step, hyperaccumulation. Decide your path. Pay off the house early. Or pour money into stocks to retire 10 years early. There are no wrong answers here. You climbed the ladder. You built the machine. Now, just let it run. Most people fail because they skip steps. They tried to jump to the top. Which rung are you on? Tell me in the comments. I read them all. Like and subscribe for more wealth building. See you in the next one.